As content creators, the other way you can make money is through affiliate marketing. That's why I'll be sharing some websites where you could join their affiliate programs and of course make money. Hey people, welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to be back again today with some juicy, spicy and hot information. I want to believe that we are all keeping safe and doing well. That's very, very important. Stay healthy, stay out of trouble, and don't be overwhelmed. Just take it one day at a time. Yeah, this is the ExtraStepsCeo YouTube channel, and as you know, on this channel we talk about everything money. Yes, ways to make extra income, ways to improve and grow your business, and business to start. This is what I talk about on this channel, and also take you around my town here in Kitchener, Canada, just for you to know what happens in Kitchener and my life generally in Kitchener. Yeah, just to take you around the city of Kitchener and fill you in on some Canada gist. Does it sound interesting and you've not joined this family? What then are you waiting for? Please subscribe, hit that notification bell so that when I upload new videos you'll always come back to watch my videos, and any good stuff that you can think of, positive vibes. And if there's anything I want you to do, please share my videos, like, comment, all the good stuff. Just let the knowledge go around. And to all my existing subscribers, you guys are the real deal. Yes, thank you so much for your comments, for your emails. I really do appreciate you. So today's video is dedicated to my fellow content creators. Yes, this video is for you. If you're a content creator, a blogger, especially if you create content on YouTube. Yeah, as content creators, the other way you can make money is through affiliate marketing. That's why I'll be sharing some websites where you could join their affiliate programs and of course make money. All right, so let's go right into the video. The first website I'll be talking about in today's video is Tubebuddy. Tubebuddy also has an affiliate program for YouTubers, and you know what Tubebuddy does for us as YouTubers? It helps us with our channel management. So it's more like a channel management toolkit. So if you can and register to be an affiliate is vidIQ. And you see on vidIQ is also a management tool for our YouTube videos. It's effective as well, and it's certified by YouTube. And the third website I'll be talking about in this video is SEMrush. SEMrush is a website that offers solutions for SEO, content, social media, and competitive research. Something that has to do with SEO, and what this means to a content creator. So this is something you would want to be a part of and be an affiliate for them. And number 4 today is Aweber. Aweber is email marketing services solution. So if you are into email marketing and if you get to talk about email marketing on your channel, Aweber is a website you can recommend to your audience, and you get paid for as long as they remain on that platform. And number 5 on today's video is Convertkit. Convertkit is also an email marketing services platform, and they help you with everything that has to do with landing pages, anything at all that has to do with email marketing. So this is a product you can promote to your audience. And number 6 on this video is Constant Contact. This is also an email marketing services platform. We all know how essential mailing list is now. So it's something you can use for yourself. It's something you can always talk to your audience about. And of course, you make money for referring people to Constant Contact. So you need to read up about them. So you see. All right, now let's move to printing, editing, graphics, anything graphics. I'll be talking about available affiliate program that you can join. So the first one is Adobe. Adobe talks about anything creativity, designs. So you can join their affiliate program, especially if you talk about graphic designs on your channel. You can promote Adobe affiliate Adobe programs as well, introduce it to your audience, and for everyone that joins you get paid. And the next is Canva. Everybody uses Canva. Canva has an affiliate program as well, and this is done through Impact. But you can still, if you join now, it will direct you to Impact for you to register and get started. So
The next website I'll be talking about in this video is Sendinblue. Sendinblue offers cloud-based digital marketing tools to over 175,000 growing companies around the world, and it tells you why they want you to become their marketing partner. So they just need you to promote their product, and you'll be paid for doing so. So the next we'll be talking about is web hosting platforms that you could join as an affiliate and promote them so that people can host on their websites. The first is Bluehost. Bluehost has a very good affiliate program as well, mentioned earlier. And the next is one.com. One.com also offers a referral program whereby when you refer someone, you will be paid as long as they remain on that well. And the last website I'll be talking about in today's video is Sellfy. Sellfy is a platform, an e-commerce platform where you could sell digital products, physical goods, and subscriptions all from one place. So you can talk to your audience about this e-commerce platform, and that's 12 months. These are ways you make money as a content creator, promoting other people's platform, and you'll be paid a commission, so to speak. This way, I'll do a dedicated video about affiliate marketing sometime soon, just to help people have a broad idea of what affiliate marketing is like. So check out these websites and do good to do your own thorough research. And of course, there is no harm in trying it out. I say this always. There is really no harm in trying it out. Okay?
Thanks so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making this video. If you are coming across my channel for the first time and you've not subscribed, please subscribe. On this channel, we get to talk about business ideas, ways on how you can improve and grow your business. We share passive income ideas, and of course, I take you through my business journey, and I also show you the city of Kitchener in Ontario, Canada, just for you to know what it is like to live in Kitchener, and any good stuff you get to see it on this channel. I have playlists that you can always go and binge on. And to all my existing subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you for your comment. Thank you so much. You guys are really appreciated, and you rock always. Until I come again some other time, let's continue to impact the world with knowledge and information. Bye now.